guys, so it's been at least like 6 hours since I installed this unit, guys. This unit was sent to me from OMGqueenhair. This unit, guys, is the Invisible Knot Bouncy Curly Bob Wig. This is the SKU number BMW33. This unit is a medium cap size, guys, which is my standard cap size. I'm always a medium cap size. This is 12 inches long. It's 150% density. And this is the cap D, which is a glueless lace wig cap. Now, if you guys noticed with the construction of this cap, guys, it did come with an adjustable strap. So in theory, when you put this on, it is actually pretty secure. You don't have to glue it down or anything like that, but I want it to be extra because I have plans this weekend or whatever. So hands down, as you guys can see, the unit is fabulous. Now, what I want to start off by doing is showing you guys the products that I use. And obviously, you guys know I air dry this out. So this is the finished air dry look of this unit, guys. And can we just get a round of applause to OMGqueenhair for this? Like, look at how beautiful this curly hair texture is. And when they mean bouncy curls, they mean bouncy curls, guys. Look at how beautiful these curls are once they air dry. I did use 2 products today as far as the the products for the actual hair texture itself. I used the olive oil Fix It No Grease cream styler, the argan oil one. I mixed this in combination with the CANTU coconut curling cream. I like this product especially on curly hair so that it doesn't frizz up and stuff like that. I hate curly hair that tends to frizz up too much, so once I wet it, I always add this product along with my curling cream in the hair. Now, I either use the CANTU curling cream or I will use the CANTU leave-in conditioner. Either way, they both do a great job. This one definitely defines the curls, and because this was more of a bouncy curl type of vibe, I really wanted to make sure I ran my brush through it. You guys saw the definition in these curls. I really like this hairstyle, guys. I did go ahead and snip it a little bit, as you guys can see. I did go ahead and snip it very lightly, guys. It didn't go crazy. There's still a few parts here that, you know, could take a little scissors to it, but nothing crazy like that. I wanted to cut it because I wanted the unit to be like bowl cut with the curl style. I just feel like for some reason it looks better when it's all one length like this. And just the fact that it stops right here. I wasn't a big fan of the kind of like, you know, asymmetrical curly bob. It just kind of brought too much length right here, which I wasn't a fan of. So all I did was just snip it to make it all equal, and baby. As far as the lace on this, guys, it's about 6 inches of parting space. So you get a good amount of parting space. If you want to go ahead and do like those little cute hairstyles, you can. If I had like those little butterfly pins, I have no idea what I did with mine. I would use like a little butterfly pin and just put it right there. I did not tweeze the hairline, guys. As you guys saw, I did not touch the hairline whatsoever. This is basically straight out the box, so whatever way I got it was the way I installed it. I didn't tweeze it, I didn't bleach it. This is invisible knot, so they already took care of that portion. And the reason why I did not tweeze it is because it already was lightly tweezed, so I didn't feel like I needed to go extra crazy with this one. I did go ahead and cut the baby hairs out a little bit. This baby hair and the front hair, and you guys probably like when I was doing, God, this is so much baby hair. But I really wanted to emphasize this part so that when the pull-up came right here, that you got like a seamless look. Like, y'all know what I mean. So all in all, guys, this right here is a banger. I will leave the information down below. This is definitely a unit I would say like some winter curls, bouncy winter curls. This is what it'll look like once it's air dried. It's very nice, angelic, and pretty and soft. You cannot complain about this one, guys. I am not complaining about it. And like I said, I gave you guys more of a long time review because I did do this install earlier in the day, which was around like 10 a.m., 11 a.m. And it's actually 6:41 p.m. right now when I'm giving you guys a final review. So all in all, guys, I'm a big fan of this one. I actually would not get this one in a longer length. I feel like this short length is better. Even though this came in a 12 inch, if you want to order it in a 10 actually would be really cute. You won't end up having to cut it like I did. So, like I said, guys, I'll leave all the information down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.